The last word we are going to be looking at today is tērā. Can you remember what that word means? Ka pai, it means that over there. Now, if you're pointing at something over in the distance and you're asking, what is that? It is neither near you nor the person that you're talking to. In te reo, we would say, he aha tērā. He aha tērā. Now you have a go. He whetū koe, you're a star, ka pai. Well done. All right, now you guys need to get on to the next slide. It's just a matching game. Drag the question in English and match it with the question in te reo. Once you've done that, try asking the questions to someone in your whānau using te reo. Ka kite, have a great rest of your week.